Have you ever promised yourself, this year will be different? You were going to get fit, save money, start a business, or finally learn that skill you've always admired. For a few days, maybe even a few weeks, your motivation burned brightly. Then life happened. The excitement faded, distractions took over, and before long, your goal quietly slipped away. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. The problem isn't that you lack discipline or talent. The problem is that most people don't fail because they aim too high. They fail because they aim too vaguely. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful goal-setting systems ever created. SMART goals. A simple framework that has helped businesses, athletes, entrepreneurs, and ordinary people transform ambitious dreams into measurable achievements. Success is rarely an accident. Behind every major accomplishment lies a well-designed plan. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. You might have all the bricks, cement, and tools, but without clear instructions, the result would be chaos. Goals work the same way. Dreams provide direction, but goals provide structure. The SMART framework was first introduced in the business world to improve organizational performance, yet its principles apply equally well to personal growth. Whether you want to lose weight, earn a promotion, write a book, or start a side business, SMART goals provide a roadmap that turns intention into action. Let's break down each letter and discover why this framework continues to stand the test of time. The first letter S stands for specific. One of the biggest reasons goals fail is because they are too general. Saying, "I want to be healthier," sounds inspiring, but what does it actually mean? Eat better? Exercise more? Sleep earlier? Without clarity, your brain doesn't know where to begin. Now compare that with, "I will walk for 30 minutes every morning before breakfast, 5 days a week." Suddenly, the path becomes clear. There is no confusion, no guessing, no endless decision-making. Our brains are designed to respond better to precise instructions. Specificity reduces uncertainty, which in turn reduces procrastination. Instead of constantly asking yourself what to do next, you simply follow the plan. Whether you're studying for an exam, growing a business, or improving your relationships, clarity is your greatest ally. The second letter M represents measurable. Peter Drucker famously said, "What gets measured gets managed." Progress fuels motivation. When you can see yourself moving forward, even by small amounts, your brain rewards you with a sense of accomplishment. Imagine two people trying to save money. One simply says, "I'll save more." The other says, "I'll save $200 every month until I reach $2,400 by the end of the year." Who is more likely to succeed? The second person knows exactly how to track progress. Every month becomes a checkpoint. Every deposit becomes a small victory. Measurement transforms hope into evidence. Instead of relying on feelings, you rely on facts. You know whether you're ahead, behind, or exactly on track. This feedback loop keeps motivation alive because progress becomes visible rather than imagined. The third letter A stands for achievable. Ambition is important, but unrealistic expectations often become the fastest route to disappointment. Suppose someone who has never exercised decides to run a full marathon next week. The goal sounds impressive, but it's disconnected from reality. Failure becomes almost inevitable. An achievable goal stretches your abilities without breaking your confidence. Psychologist Albert Bandura introduced the concept of self-efficacy, our belief in our ability to succeed. Every small success strengthens that belief. Every impossible target weakens it. Instead of saying, "I'll lose 25 kilograms in 2 months," consider, "I'll lose 1 kilogram every 2 weeks through regular exercise and healthier eating." Small wins build momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds extraordinary results over time. Remember, Success is rarely built through giant leaps. It's built through consistent, manageable steps repeated day after day. The fourth letter R stands for relevant. Not every goal deserves your time. Many people spend years chasing goals they never truly wanted. Society tells them to earn more, buy bigger houses, collect impressive job titles, or follow someone else's definition of success. But here's the important question. Why does this goal matter to you? If the answer isn't meaningful, your motivation will eventually disappear. Imagine someone pursuing a prestigious career simply to impress friends. Compare that with another person building a business because they genuinely love solving problems and creating value. The second person possesses something far more powerful than external pressure. Purpose. Purpose creates resilience. It helps you continue when motivation fades and obstacles appear. Before committing to any goal, ask yourself whether it aligns with your values, your priorities, and the person you want to become. A relevant goal doesn't just change your schedule, it changes your life. Finally, we arrive at T for time-bound. Without deadlines, goals quietly become wishes. Have you ever noticed how a task that should take 1 hour somehow expands to fill an entire day? This idea is known as Parkinson's Law. Work naturally expands to fit the time available. A deadline creates urgency. Instead of saying, "I'll learn graphic design someday," say, "I'll complete an online graphic design course within the next 90 days. Now your brain recognizes that action cannot wait forever. Deadlines encourage planning, prioritization, and consistent execution. Time transforms intention into commitment. Researchers Edwin Locke and Gary Latham spent decades studying goal setting. Their research consistently showed that clear, challenging, and well-defined goals produce higher performance than vague intentions. Why? Because clarity focuses attention. Measurement provides feedback. Achievable targets build confidence. Relevance strengthens commitment. Deadlines create urgency. Together, these elements transform scattered effort into deliberate progress. Even with smart goals, people still make avoidable mistakes. They set too many goals at once. They never write them down. They forget to review their progress. They expect perfection instead of consistency. And perhaps most importantly, they quit after temporary setbacks. Remember, success is not about never failing. It's about adjusting, learning, and continuing. Right now, think of one goal you've been postponing. Take a piece of paper and rewrite it using the SMART framework. Make it specific. Give it measurable milestones. Ensure it's achievable. Confirm it's relevant to your life. And assign it a clear deadline. That single exercise could change the direction of your future. Dreams inspire us, but systems move us. The difference between wishing and achieving isn't luck. It isn't talent. It isn't even motivation. It's clarity. Smart goals don't guarantee success overnight, but they dramatically increase the odds that every step you take moves you closer to the life you truly want. Because in the end, extraordinary lives aren't built through extraordinary intentions. They're built through ordinary actions, repeated with extraordinary consistency. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Write one smart goal today, take the first step, and let tomorrow's success begin with today's decision. If you found this video valuable, share your SMART goal in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working toward. And if you're committed to personal growth, productivity, and lifelong learning, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more practical strategies that help you become the best version of yourself. One clear goal, one deliberate action, and one consistent day at a time. That's how remarkable futures are built.